Hey guys, welcome back to All About Kenneth's channel, and today we are going to be unboxing two Labubus, and this is part 2, and if you haven't watched part 1, go watch it. And before we get started, I'm going to give you 3 seconds to like and click subscribe so you know when I post a new video. Alright, 3, 2, 1, time's up. If you guys are able to do that, good job, and let's get started. Alright, so I think let's unbox this one. So, it is the exciting macaroon one. And the options that I really want is lychee berry. Well, in our last video we got toffee. But we still haven't got this one, this one, this one, or this one. So I want green grape, lychee berry, soy milk, or sea salt coconut. So yeah, so let's do the tear tag. Whoop, got it. Okay. And they changed their backs. So if their bags look different, it's because they changed their backs. Okay, good. Alright, you guys are gonna look before me. Oh my gosh. Guys, I got sea salt coconut, the one I wanted. Oh my gosh. Look how cute this is. Oh, hi. Oh, look how cute. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Wait, let's count to deep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It has 9 teeth, so it's real. And it has a QR code. Ooh, they made the tags thinner. I see. See? It has a QR code. It's real. I think they changed their Labubu sides too. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And the bag. Like, I just can't get over how the new bag looks. It's like so cute. Alright, so that was our first one. We got sea salt coconut, one of the ones that I want. I really want lychee berry. I hope I get lychee berry. Alright. Please match your box. Please lychee berry. Please match your box. Please. Okay. So this is the next one. Exactly what I said. I want green grape, lychee berry, soy milk, or sea salt coconut, but we already got sea salt coconut, so I want soy milk, lychee berry, or green grape. Alright, so let's do it. Alright. Tear tabs right here. Right. Oh. I got a guest. Alright, let's tear tab. Oh, got it. So, and if your tear tab doesn't go all the way through, then that means it's fake. I'm sorry to break it to you, but that means it's fake. I wonder what this one is. Okay. Oh! Wait a minute. I'm going to show you all the difference. This one has a pink string. Oh, never mind. This one does. But it's like barely pink, kind of. Because I saw pink right here, and I'm like, oh, wait, where's the pink? It's right there, kind of. Yeah, it's like at the ends. Okay. I think this is that. I got sesame bean! Wait, is this sesame bean? Wait, is this sesame bean? Oh, yes, it is sesame bean. Yes, it's sesame bean! Oh my gosh. These are like addicting. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. I love these. Count the teeth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I guess one away. 6. Where are we at? 6? I think 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9 teeth. This one's so cute. It's like neutral colors. And let me show y'all something different. I guess they changed it. So in our if you didn't watch part 1, you need to go watch it because this is gonna spoil it. So I guess in part 1 we unboxed this one, toffee. And the tags are skinnier, I think because they changed them. And I have, how many more do I have? I have a lot more unboxing videos coming up because there's going to be like different ones of me unboxing different stuff. So yeah, so I got sesame bean, toffee, and last but not least, I got sea salt coconut. This one's so cute. It's like, isn't it chubby? Like, look at his belly. But this one's has belly too. And then this one also does too. It's so cute. I feel like this one's the skinniest out of all of them. Like, yeah, that one's definitely, I feel like this one's the fattest, this one's middle, and then this one's like, so let's do a haul, but this one's not gonna go in the haul, I'm sorry, Toffee. I call him Toff for short. I'm sorry, Toff, but you are not, we didn't get you today, but I'll show you at the end. Okay, so, in our first box, we got, well, hold on, let me get it set up. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Hold on. In our first box, we got sea salt coconut. And then in our second box, we got, oh crap, I can barely see him. We got, hold on, let me just pull him up. We got sesame bean. And so, this one. And then this one. Sorry, the card fell down there and I don't feel like getting it. And then in our part 1, we got this one. We got this little cute little top. And so let's do a haul time. So, we got sesame bean, toffee, well, in our part 1. And then we got sea salt coconut today. And I am super duper grateful. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And remember, Jesus loves you, and bye. Mwah.